Greetings to all. Now we are going to understand about reconstitution of partnership under that admission of a partner, where we are going to find out new profit sharing ratio in the sum and sacrificing ratio. In this video we will understand about new profit sharing ratio. Now in the sums there are 4 patterns, or you can say 4 cases are there for finding out the new profit sharing ratio. In very first, they will be giving us when they will be giving us old partner's share and the new partner's share. So when old partner's share is given and new partner's share is given, then in such cases we just have to do is this exercise, that is, first of all, in the whole portion, that is one portion is there of which old partners are sharing in some ratio and new partner enters with this particular share, right? So in this case, when the new partner is getting this much share, remaining shares is left for the old partners, and that is to be distributed in their required ratio, that is their old ratio only. So in this case we are going to do the sum in respect to this. So in this we will start with sum number 1. A and B are partners and in the form sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted C into the partnership with 1/6 share in the profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Now what is given in the sum, that we have to first find out. So in this sum they had given old profit sharing ratio. New partner C share is given. So suppose profit is equal to ₹1. You can suppose whatever way you want, but 1 is ideal to be supposed because here the part are given. So they are given as 1/6 and 3/2. So 1 assume 1 as a profit will be more easy and flexible for understanding. So suppose profit is equal to 1 less share of C, 1/6. So remaining share left is 5/6. So now apply a simple logic, that is new profit sharing ratio is equal to old profit sharing ratio multiplied by remaining share. So we will get the simple answer, that is 3/5 multiplied by 5/6 is 15/30. 2/5 multiplied by 5/6 is 10/30, and only 6 will be there. That will give you 3:2:1 final answer. That is 1/6 will give you 3:2:1 as an answer. Next sum. A, B and C are partners sharing in 3:2:1. They admitted D for 10% profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So under this also they had said that new partner share is given and old profit sharing ratio is also given. So same way we have to assume profit as 1 less share of D, and then remaining share we will find out 9/10, and then we have to just multiply with the mathematical techniques. As you understood this, we got LCM equalized as 27/60, 18/60, 9/60 and 6/60. So we got LCM, we got our ratio as 27:18:9:6. So this can be again simplified with the ratio of 9:6:3:2. So this simplification you can make it if you over here. This simplification can be made it over here also. Now, there is another case, that is case number 3, when the new partner acquires his or her share from existing partner. Now, here acquires means what? Acquires means to get from the old partners. So, under this, old profit sharing ratio will be given, new profit sharing ratio will be given, and acquired share will be given. So, this much will be given in the sum. Now, how to do this sum is, first of all, you have to find out sacrifice share by multiplying new partner share multiplied by acquired share, and then find out that sacrifice share total is always should be equal to new partner shares, and then new profit sharing ratio is equal to old profit sharing ratio minus sacrifice share. So, under this we can locate ourselves by this manner, that is X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3, and admitted Z with 1/10 share which he acquired equally from X and Y. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. So, here first of all, old profit sharing ratio is given, new partner share is given, and acquire of X and acquire of Y is given. So, when acquire of both is given, we have to multiply with the share of the new partner. So, we will get easily the sacrifice share of them. So, sacrifice share of them should always be checked. Sacrifice share should always be checked as 1/20 plus 1/20 should be 2/20, which is equivalent to 1/10, that is new partner's share, right? So, always check this, so we can get always correct answer. So, now sacrifice is ready, old partner share is given, and now we have to move to the deducting from the old partner share. So, therefore, new profit sharing ratio is equal to old profit sharing ratio minus sacrifice ratio, 5/8 minus 1/20, and simultaneously for Y 3/8 minus 1/20, and for Z we don't have to minus. So, here by taking LCM of 160 we got the solution towards this 92/160. For Y also we got answer 52/160, and for Z we have to just take LCM equalize. Listen to me carefully, we have to take LCM equalize. So, we will take such a multiple which will give you 160 as a LCM or 160 as a denominator, right? So, 160 denominator, for finding out 160 as a denominator, we have a multiple of 16 which will be multiplied in the both the cases. So, this way we finally got 92:52:16, and further it will be simplified as 23:13:4. So, this way we can get our solution towards this. Now comes another sum, that is A, B and C are partners sharing in the ratio of 2:2:1 ratio. They admitted D into the partnership with 1/8 share which have acquired entirely from A. So, here it is totally acquired from A. So, sacrifice is done by A only. So, in this particular case, we have to directly minus the share of new partner from A. So, looking at the sum, 2:2:1 is the ratio, 1/8 is a share of Z acquired from A is equal to 1/8, and directly 1/8 acquired from A, that is equivalent to Z share, right? So, we got Z share. So, finally we will now move to the another part, that is finally simple, very simple. A is equal to 2/5 minus 1/8, so that gives you 11/40. So, here LCM is 40. Just to make LCM equalize, that is your denominators as 40, we have a multiple of 8/8, here also 8/8, and here also 5/5, right? So, A, B and C, B, C and D will be written as the same ratios what was there, just to multiply that with the given denominators. Then comes your next sum, that is P and Q are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. They admitted R into the partnership, giving him 1/5 share which he acquired from P and Q in 1:2 ratio. So in this sum, they are given the acquired share ratio. So the same procedure we will follow, that is new partners share multiplied by acquired share, that is new partners 1/5 multiplied by 1/3 and 1/5 multiplied by 2/3. Just every time check that sacrificing shares total should always equal to new partners share. This is a key point for getting the correct answers. And then just apply formulas. Old profit sharing ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So 2/3 minus 1/15, 1/3 minus 2/15, and we will get 15 as LCM. So in the last part, Z is equal to 1/5 given in the sum. We have to just multiply with the getting the equal denominator. So that will be 3/3. So we got 9:3:3. So ultimately 3:1:1. Then comes your next sum, sixth sum of this, that is A, B and C are partners sharing 3:2:2. Under this, they admitted D as a new partner with 1/5 share, which he acquired from A, B and C in 2:2:1. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Same pattern, same sum. We have to just multiply by new partner share, and then we will get our sacrifice share as 2/25, 2/25 and 1/25. Check that this share should be equivalent to new partner's share. So we got this final answer, and now we have to just minus from old partner's share. So old profit sharing ratio minus sacrifice share, and we got 61/175. 25 sevens is 175 your LCM, right? So this way we will get the full answer of the sum. So finally they got 61:36:43. These all sums are purely based on mathematics. So you have to just apply the mathematical fractions and all applications, and you will get easily answers for this all sums. Thank you.